Cooper, Executive Vice President and General Counsel for wonderful company. I had a great experience with the wonderful company in Los Angeles a few weeks ago. Minister for Youth and Sports, Jesse, Acting CEO of Fiji Rugby Union, members of the public who are watching our live stream this afternoon, rugby followers. A few weeks ago, there's a lot of negative comment made about my going into the changing room before the players had enough time to speak with the fans and wave to them and sign autographs. Well, this is what I went to the changing room for. I went to ask Saleh, how much money do you need for the World Cup? A lot of negative comments came up that afternoon and the following few weeks. Today, I'm here to announce that the Flying Fijians have received a massive boost ahead of the upcoming Rugby World Cup. As a former player and trustee, I don't know whether it's still relevant or not, I'm honored to be making this announcement today. I'm proud, very proud, to announce today the major sponsor for the Flying Fijians Rugby World Cup campaign 2023 is Fiji Water, Earth's finest water. Fiji Water will sponsor our World Cup campaign to the tune of $3.8 million. And for that, the Fiji Rugby Union have given them naming rights, and the Flying Fijians will now be known as the Fiji Water Flying Fijians. Fiji Water Flying Fijians. I wish to acknowledge and thank the generous owners of Fiji Water, the wonderful company, Stuart and Linda Resnick, whom I had the great opportunity and a very happy afternoon and evening with in Los Angeles last month. The Executive Vice President, Ray Cooper, and his team were here today. We met this morning very briefly. We only managed to slip in a few minutes, and also this afternoon. I'm wearing my Fiji Rugby Union gear. This is the tie we wore in 1970. I do not know who changed the design, but this is the tie we wore in the 1970s. And I'm glad to be here. They got a new blazer now, a new tie, but the same rugby union team playing for the same country of rugby-loving nation, of people. So we congratulate them. Now that the team has secured its very generous sponsorship to facilitate your participation, we the people of Fiji urge you, go get it, boys, go get it. Go get it. And we will be currently praying for your nation and the number one water in the world, Fiji Water. Now we'll
opportunity to our attention a few weeks ago. And I'd also like to thank the FRU Acting Chairman Daniel Whippy, who unfortunately isn't with us today, the Acting CEO, Sali Suravaki, and the Marketing Manager, Neil Pratap. Thank you so much for working with us so effortlessly to put together this arrangement. We really very much appreciate it. So at Fiji Water, we take pride in Fiji as a country and Fiji's people. We sell Earth's finest water all over the globe in 83 countries, and we bring worldwide awareness to the country of Fiji around the world and to its pristine water. We operate a number of other businesses here in Fiji as well, with a total of almost 1,000 employees across VD11. And we're also very proud of our philanthropic efforts through the Fiji Water Foundation, which is focused on providing assistance in the areas of education and health and wellness and community infrastructure. We're so proud that we're able to support the Fiji Rugby Union so that they can now send the Fiji Water Flying Fijians to France for this year's World Cup. Our financial commitment will help to ensure that the team is in the strongest position to compete. Our Fiji Water employees, along with the employees of our sister companies, NPDL and Williams & Gosling, and our owners, Stuart and Linda Resnick, are committed to a strong and thriving partnership with the country of Fiji. And as a very large foreign investor here, we will continue to look for new ways to participate in building Fiji's economic importance in the South Pacific and around the globe. Again, we are grateful to you, Prime Minister Rambuka, for your support, and to the FRU leadership for the opportunity to sponsor the team. We look forward to celebrating together a very strong performance at the World Cup. Toso Vivi.